This tutorial will guide you how to join the 99 Nights in the Forest Discord server. So you should follow these instructions very carefully. Now open the Discord application, whether on your PC. Then after opening Discord server, after opening the Discord application, then select here where it is written add a server. And then select here it is written have an invite already. Select here join a server. Now on the invite link here, just type these words here, which is 99 Nights Forest, exactly as it has been written here. And then select here it is written join server. I'll take you to the page where for the 99 Nights in the Forest. So just ask you which class do you want to play the most. You can just select the class that you want to play. If you play as a camper, alien, or medic, so just select here camper. Then select next, and then ping when a new link comes out, just say yes. So select yes and then click next, and then select finish, and you'll be able to join the 99 in the Forest Discord server. So it's very easy. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, or you can just go on Google and search for 99 Nights in the Forest Discord. So to take you to this page here, click on the first link for this page here. So if you click to this link here, you take to this section here, which is an invite link, and then be able to join the Discord. So it's very easy. Make sure to follow these instructions, and see you next time.